everybody, this is Mia with Chalk with Mia. I am here today to do a really quick and simple project with you guys. It is for a laundry room. I am so excited to show this to you guys. I think it's something that you're gonna love and something that you feel like you can do very quick and simply for your own home. Right now I have this displayed up because we do have a new program at Chalk Couture. That is our Club Couture program. That is the image on the right. The Oh Snap, that is our February Club Couture, but it is a subscription program, so you can get a box of happiness and creativity every single month for the low price of $19.99. And it includes free shipping, 3 sample coordinating pastes, and then the transfer, and then how-to instructions. So that is fantastic. And then the image on the left is our new starter kit that just came out in February with a lot of goodies. For $99, you get over $240 worth of product. Hey, Cindy. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. In case you hadn't seen it, I just think that it's a fantastic either way. You can be a designer or customer and get your creativity on. So exciting for that. So now we are here, we're gonna do this fun project. I have got this simple sign painted in like a sand or beige color. And I have got our new laundry company sign. Now, I am gonna have to move this around just a little bit because it's too big to do it all in one go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm placing this so that the laundry company is on here. And then what I'll do is once I do this, I'm gonna move the hanger down just a little bit and hopefully I'll be able to fit it on there. But if not, we'll just leave it as laundry company and I'll move this up and maybe we can put some of the bottom ones on there. But the cutest part is just that it says laundry company. I love that. So I believe I've got this straight. Oh, you know what? I didn't wax. Ah! I've got it sitting here right beside me. So we're gonna wax really quick. Oh, thank you, Cindy. Hi, Terry. How are you? And Dylan is not gonna be moderating today. I am actually up in the mountains for a quick getaway, and he is at ski lessons today. So I thought I've gotta pick him up within the hour. So I just wanted to do something very quick. I brought 2 projects up here with me. Normally I haul everything, but it's getting to be quite a bit. So I picked 2 quick, awesome projects to do, and I'll do one today and probably one tomorrow. As always, I am using my favorite Dixie Belle Best Dang Wax to wax my board. And now let's do this again. Okay, so this is our screen mesh transfer. And it's exactly as it sounds. It's got a screen mesh in it, which makes transferring our paste quick and easy and flawlessly onto our surface, as long as we have no air bubbles. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to squeeze out any air bubbles that we have. Because when there's an air bubble, it forms a little pocket of air, and that's where the paste can then bleed a little bit, and you get a little bit more mistakes. So we want to make sure that we can pull out as many of those air bubbles as we can, okay? And I'm just gonna use simple black. I just thought that would be, you know, sometimes simple and quick is just as nice as complex and colorful. So I'm just feeling to make sure I got everything. So here is our paste, and remember our paste is water soluble and chalk based, so it loves air. Air will dry it out, so that's why we want to cover it up as much as we can. And I'm stirring it. You want it to be the consistency of cake icing or marshmallow fluff, yogurt, any of those 3. And this one's a pretty good consistency. I like the way that feels. So now we get to chalk. Okay, so I've got a squeegee here. And again, I'm not gonna care about how much chalk I put on my squeegee because we are gonna rub all of the excess off and put it right back in the container. How's everybody's weekend going? You guys got any fun plans? It was like ice not snow, but ice this morning up here in the mountains of Virginia. So it was cold and windy and icy this morning when we dropped off Dylan at ski school. Hopefully he's having a good time. All right, I'm just pulling off that excess and I'm gonna just use it over here. Again, the project doesn't care where you get the chalk from, as long as you're just covering it up, and I'm putting it on there like I'm buttering bread. The thing with our chalk is you do want to be somewhat quick because it does dry quickly because it's got that chalk in it. So if you think that your project is too big to do all in one go without it drying, you can do it in sections. You can pull it up as you go, pull up the transfer as you go. You can lay a damp paper towel over top of it. There's a lot of different tricks that you can do to help with it. Okay guys, we're gonna pull this up and hopefully I did it correctly. Oh my God, oh, is that supposed to, oh, no. See, it did dry on me in a couple areas. I wonder if my paste is a little not wet enough. Let's see, we're gonna lay this back down for a second. There was a couple areas. Now, sometimes our transfers do come with like little splotches and holes in the transfer to make them look kind of shabby chic and farmhouse style, but this one I don't think does.